Okay, today we'll be opening up this used ACDelco oil filter, number PF63. And I got this used oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is John Purolator from Yonkers, New York. Thanks, John. This oil filter was in service for 4 months, 3,000 miles, and came off of John's 2018 Chevy Impala. Yep, the one with the 3.6 liter V6 engine. He was using Pennzoil Platinum 5W30 full synthetic oil during this period. Let's open up this ACDelco oil filter and see how it did. So let's get started. This is a where you gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your angle here, filtration here. Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. Date code 23286ES. Product of USA. And this is a sticker on here. And this filter has 8 inlet holes, nylon center core, bypass valve down below at the dome end, 5 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket. Just pretty thick. I'll put the thickness of this up on the screen. It's a pretty thick gasket. Okay, let's open this filter up and see what it looks like. Alright. Nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. And it all looks good. I don't see any cuts or slits. Held its shape. And it fits right over those inlet holes. Okay, that looks nice. That's a sliver of the paper. Yeah, it's paper from here. Alright, let's see the filter element. Bypass valve, let's take a quick look at that. Looks good. This has got a setting of 22 PSI. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, the filter element. Let's see. Looks like a glued seam right there. And I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. I don't see any tears. Something right there. Yeah, this all looks good though. The pleats are nicely spaced. Okay, and this is a cellulose polyester microglass blend media with a micron rating of 98%, multi-pass efficiency rating of 25 to 30 microns. Yeah, this all looks good. Nice and clean. No excess glue. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Inside the can. The oil looks pretty good. Got a nice got a nice color to it. Now put the thickness of the can up on the screen. Yeah, I don't see, there's no sludging or anything. Obviously, you know, he didn't put too many miles on his vehicle, 3,000 miles, but that looks nice so far. Let's get a measurement. We got the width here is 3. I had 3.5. I'm gonna go 3.5 minus 1/10 of an inch. Yeah. Alright, well, let me cut this filter open, squeeze it out, stretch it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here's the filter all stretched out. And this ACDelco filter is 52.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.76 millimeters thick. Okay, and this is the filtering side, back side. And if we take a look at this under a microscope, you're going to see some carbon and soot, mostly in the middle of the picture. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, there's some carbon and soot that this filter caught. You know, it's on the surface. You can't really see it on here, it just looks dark. Let's take a look at this up close. So you can see it looks really dark, but there's not really any anything that you can, you know, rub off. Just dark throughout. I don't know what these are. These are funny little marks here. It must be when I was squeezing it, made marks like that. I don't know. Never seen that before. But otherwise, it looks clean on the surface. It just looks dark, that's all. That looks like a little metal particle. I forgot to get my magnet. I'll check that afterwards. Alright, and let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we'll take a look at the gasket real quick. You can see this is where it went up against the block on this side right here. You see that kind of like a little ridge right there. It's a nice thick gasket, held up nice. Main drain back valve. Still got some spring to it. Yeah, this looks nice. In the base plate, you got all these inlet holes. Yeah, so this all looks good. Bypass valve, it looks fine. And you know, can't beat the flow on this. And the can, I had the can sitting like that. Yeah, it's nice. There's nothing in there. I mean, there's something right there, but that's like, yeah, that's really nothing. So that looks good. Nice thick can. So what do you guys think about this filter? Oh, and I wanted to point this paper out. This is just a sliver of paper. You can still see the writing on there. See that? Yeah, that's all this was on the filter media earlier. And again, I want to thank John for sending me this used ACDelco oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. Let's see if this magnet will pick this up. Look at that. See that? Did you see that? Started pulling it up. There it goes.